So guys, withdraw tayo ulit. Ito na yung aking pangalawang 1.120.227 million sa Popo. So withdrawin na natin. So gagawin natin, ipindot lang natin ito. Then withdraw. So ngayon i-enter natin kung ilan ang pwede nating withdrawin. Ayan o. Gayahin lang natin yan. 1, 1, 2. Yan. Then, submit. Please enter and integrate mode. By 10 lang. So, pwedeng 1, 1 lang. Ah, 110 lang pala. Yan. Yan na confirm. Withdraw amount is $110. So, yan.